All right. You're gonna learn today.
Alright YouTube, so today I'm about to change the tail lights on this 2004 Jeep Liberty. Now these are the stock tail lights, nothing special. I know a lot of you guys have them, but we found some nice aftermarket tail lights. So let me show them to you. Hold on. Show you guys in a second how these look. Oh yeah, YouTube. How's that? They're actually smoke. So these are actually very nice. So I think it's gonna look good against the silver, but these tail lights are smoked. Ooh, they are very nice, YouTube. Alright, let me show you guys how to install these. These are plug and play lights, so they're going to fit right into the factory harness. This is the right side, so we're going to do this side first. It's actually very simple to do. There are two Torx bit screws right here. I got this one. And then we're just going to take out, there's one right here below it. It's only two, YouTube. Take that out. So I have to give this thing a little pull. See? There are these plastic tabs that push into here right here. That's it. Now, you'll see in here, there's a red tab. You just push that over like that. Red tab like that, and then there's a tab right here. Pull it out. That's it. I'll take the new one. Wait, let me show you the difference, YouTube. So this is the difference between the old ones and the new ones. Alright. So just take this, plug this in like this, push the tab back, alright, tuck the wires in, put the two screws back in, I like that, YouTube, I like it. Hold on. Put this in here. Ooh, nice and simple. Nice and simple. See, the smoke looks nice against that gray. Now listen, don't mind these scuffs. You guys see the scuffs. I'll tell you right now, we're waiting on some touch-up paint to come from iparkcars.com. iparkcars.com has exact matched touch-up paint. I'll leave the link below. Alright, YouTube, let's get to the other side. Alright, YouTube, let me grab the light. Now you can see these are a little harder to get to, but it's the same. Two Torx bits, and that'll be out. Let me put this down since these are harder to reach. I'm gonna have to grab the screws. Let me take that out and I'll cut you guys back on. Alright, YouTube, so got it out. Same procedure. Just gotta move this tab. Hold on. Take this loose. That's it, YouTube. Now we just gotta grab the new one. Same thing, YouTube. You see the difference? sure you push it all the way down. Push the clip back in. Tuck in the harness. That's it. Let's put the screws back in and we'll be done. Alright, YouTube is on and it looks so much better. Alright, let's turn it on and see what it looks like lit up. There's the tail light on. There's the turn signal on. That's reverse. And this is the brake lights. As you guys can see, they are nice and bright. I really do like that smoke. It looks good against the silver. That's it, YouTube. If you guys are interested in these tail lights, I will leave the link below. If you guys remember, we also put LED headlights on it. I will leave the link below. If you guys are interested in the tire cover, I will leave the link below. Alright, YouTube, so I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.